Alright, this is the little dirt bike. There's the carburetor we just rebuilt. Well, I mean, rebuilt. We just cleaned it up so it'll run. And we're going to put it right back in here, in this here little bike. And I'll include some of it. Mostly this is just going to be installing the little fucker back in there. I won't show most of that. That's going to be boring as fuck. Oh, right. Okay, perfect. Yeah, came right off. Cool. Just so you're aware, I just took my glove in hand that I was using to keep chemicals off of me. Just took my glove in hand and put it in my mouth so I can get spit on it, on my fingers, so I can put that and rub it on the little tube. So, let's see what the fuck I'm doing over here. Not yet. Real close though. Looks like we got it going. Let's put the fuel on, right? Let that fill the bowl for a minute. We got jumper cables to the Bronco hooked up to tiny little wires that go into this little plug. And then we should be able to have electric start instead of kicking this son of a bitch. Alright. Let's give her a shot. Give her a little bit. Choke. There we go. Nice. Oh yeah. Got me fired right up. Still a little cold. Hasn't ran in a while though. Years. We got it running right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Idle's a little high. Starts nice, man. Check this out. What's your shit? I mean, that electric starts so nice. Alright, time to button it back up. I wonder if I should leave these little wires. I could probably leave a couple leads out the side in case I wanted to jump it, right? I could probably put in a connector or two out here, just drop a couple wires out the side right here that I could unplug and connect jumper cables to if I wanted to jump this little motherfucker. instead of kicking around like crazy. That would be slick. Alright, so I found a couple connectors, a couple wires. These are just little connectors I slipped up in there. Gonna cut these wires off here. I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably like roll them up and twist tie them or something under in here, underneath one of the plastics or something, so you can get to them if you need to. But this way, when I go to sell it too, I can at least prove that the electric start works and whatnot. Alright.